Welcome back, guys. We are so happy to see you once again with us in Easy Cheesy. For today, we have a very special double episode. We're going to be using one ingredient in two different recipes. Our special ingredient is going to be oranges. We are going to tell you a couple of hints so that you guys can guess what we're making. The first hint is my outfit. It has to do with a Disney character. I am actually channeling the orange bird from Disney, the mascot that was born back in 1970 because of the partnership created with Walt Disney World and the Florida Citrus Commission. So today we're going to be making orange jam out of the pulp of these oranges, and we're going to be saving the orange juice for the next preparation, next week. So you can try guessing on the comments, what are we going to make next week? Since we're talking about oranges, let me tell you a little bit about Disney's Orange Bird. He is one of the very few Disney characters that do not appear in any animated films or cartoons, although he does appear in two educational short films. But he's still a very iconic character. Since his introduction in the year 1970 as a mascot for the Florida Citrus Commission sponsorship of the Tiki Room, he has more prominently been seen in the Sunshine Tree Terrace at Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom Park. So he's kind of always been around Adventureland.
Alright, enough chit chat. These oranges aren't going to cook themselves. We need to squeeze them, we need to juice them, make a marmalade.
Oh, Remy, please give me a break. Here, have a break. Smell an orange.
Magnifique, delicious. Squeeze that orange.
So we're done juicing, and I love these oranges because they have no seeds, so you don't waste anything. Don't forget to scrape the remaining pulp off the orange after you have juiced it.
Now they're empty and dead.
Really? So dramatic. This is the part where everything comes together. All you gotta do is mix all the ingredients really, really well. Heat the pot with a medium heat, and the most important thing, you have to keep stirring. Otherwise, the mixture's just gonna stick itself to the walls of the pot, and you clearly do not want that. So remember, just keep stirring until it reaches this consistency and color, and smell, of course. And that's it. That's all you gotta do to make some delicious homemade orange jam. And again, you can make it with any fruit that you like. You can actually use this jam for many different things. You can cook things with it. I like to do pork with some orange jam. And you can serve it also as a dip, like in this plate. You can serve some cheese and put some jam with a cheese wedge. It's a delicious snack. It's one of my mom's favorites. So if you like this, guys, don't forget to watch next week's episode where we will be using the orange juice left from the oranges. So if you like this recipe, remember to comment, like, subscribe, and don't forget to click on the little bell, the notifications bell, so that you don't miss next week's episode. So remember, guys, all you gotta say is cheese please, and we'll add a cheesy twist to your recipes. See you next week. Bye.
Hi there, good to see you back. Ayo.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow Easy Cheesy.
The cheesiest teamed recipes ever. Ayo.